Hello guys, welcome back to Mr. Legend Crypto. Guys, in this video, we'll take a look at an altcoin, Algorand, currently trading for $0.32. We're deep in the crypto bear market. Algorand is down really bad, down 81% in the last 1 year. What's our pathway to a new all-time high? We've seen Algorand in the previous bull run went from as low as $0.11 to as high as $2.5, returning more than 2,100% in 500 days. How long will it take us to get to new all-time highs, and where are we going to find some resistance when we start pumping to higher prices? We'll be taking a look at the Algorand US dollar price chart from when Algorand was launched in June 2019. We'll also be looking at Algorand's performance against Bitcoin over the years, Algorand performance against Ethereum, and then we'll take a look at Algorand's market cap. Currently, it has a market cap of over $2.2 billion. The market cap went to as high as $14.98 billion in November 2021. How high can Algorand's market cap go by the end of the next bull run? We'll be talking about that and more in this video. But first, guys, if you're new to this channel and you want to make money long-term trading or investing in cryptocurrencies, if you want to get the latest crypto news, price predictions, and chart analysis, this is the channel for you. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel for more awesome videos like this. Let's get down to business. Guys, we're deep in the crypto bear market. Altcoins are down really bad. Algorand is down 81.8% in the last 1 year. In the last 1 month, it's up 4.8%. In the last 1 week, Algorand is just up 2%. What's our pathway to a new all-time high? The highest we have seen Algorand trade was when it was launched in 2019, when it was trading above $3. Since then, we saw this altcoin dump really low, losing 96% of its value in the process. Finally finding its bottom in March 16, 2020 during the COVID sell-off. After that, we saw Algorand rallied up, couldn't set new all-time highs in the 2021 bull run. We saw Algorand go as high as $2.5. In September 2021, that's where Algorand found its top when Bitcoin was getting to new all-time highs. By November 2021, we couldn't break that high we set in September. But altogether, Algorand returned over 2,200% for investors in the previous bull run. In 615 days, your $1,000 invested in Algorand in March 2020 will have returned more than $22,000. But 2022 has been brutal to all coins, and you can see it in the Algorand US dollar price chart that Algorand has been dropping since when we set an all-time high for it in September 2021. We have seen Algorand go down more than 88% from that high. That is normal for all coins in the bear market. If you take a look at what other altcoins have been doing in the bear market in the last 1 year, a lot of them are down really bad. Algorand is just down 81%, CH bar down 83%, Run down 82%, Falcon down 91%, Wave down 87%, Graph down 90%. So the general market is down really bad, not just Algorand. Now, important levels you want to watch out for in the bear market is this first level where we found our low around the $0.27 region. For some weird reasons, Algorand is bottoming around that region. And if you take a look at what Algorand has done in the past, that region acted as support for us. You can see that Algorand was having some little trouble getting above the $0.27 region from September 2019. Even when we broke above it in February 2020, it was just a fake out. We finally went below that level till when we finally got ready to pump to the upside, and this was when in November 2020 we saw Algorand pump from this level to $0.27 level to as high as $2.49, a 783% increase in 297 days. For Algorand to get back to its all-time high from where we're currently trading right now, we have to see Algorand go up more than 789%. And for us to take out the launch price for Algorand, we have to see it go up more than 1,000%. Guys, it means if you invest $1,000 in Algorand right now, when we are currently trading, and if you take out that high when it was launched in June 2019, your $1,000 should return over $10,000. Another important level, we might find some resistance if Algorand start pumping to the high side. We might find some significant resistance around the $0.47 level. When Algorand was pumping in 2020, February, we found some resistance around that level. Even the next time we tried pumping in August 2020, we had to come down below the $0.47 region. We briefly went above it. A lot of people got bullish, thinking this is the time Algorand is going to the moon, till January 2021, when the market was in easy mode and Algorand still had some little work to do before we got above this region. So I won't be shocked to see us maybe just consolidate around this $0.47 region as we're pumping to higher prices. Another important level we should pay attention to will be this critical level that was acting as support for us throughout the bull run. Now, when Algorand went above the $0.85 level, this is a region from as low as 0.73 to as high as that 0.85 region, we saw that Algorand was holding that support for us throughout the bull run. And when we finally lost that level by April 2022, that was official confirmation that we are going to Gobbling Town. Now, Algorand found some resistance around that level when we were dumping in August 2019. We found some resistance at that level in August 2020. When we finally went above that level was on the 31st of January 2021. We saw Algorand trade above the $0.73 level after being stuck beneath this level for more than 2 years. Now, Algorand was pumping when the bull market were above the $0.73 level. We even went to as high as 1.75, came back to test that level in the mini bear market we had in 2021, went back to set new all-time highs, and as we were dumping to Gobbling Town, we noticed that by March 2022, we had a little bounce off that level, but that bounce could only take us to as high as $0.97 before we finally capitulated and dumped to Gobbling Town. Another important level we have to watch out for before I show you how high Algorand can go by the next bull run will be the $1.622 level. That's where Algorand got rejected in the beginning phases of the bull run. We first saw Algorand pump from as low as $0.11 to as high as $1.6. It got rejected there. We came back to as low as $0.73 in that mini bear market we had in 2021. But the huge move was from March 2020 to May 2021, where Algorand returned over 1,300%. When Algorand came down to as low as $0.73 in this bear market, it only went up 238%. We couldn't set new all-time highs, but we went higher than the price we set earlier in the year in February. If we use the Fibonacci retracement tool on Algorand from when it was launched in June 2019, in the relief rally that happened in that bear market, we can see that Algorand can go to as high as $13 by the next bull run. For where Algorand is currently trading right now, for it to get to that $13 region, we have to see Algorand go up over 4,100%. Is that possible? Before we take a look at Algorand's performance against both Bitcoin and Ethereum, let's look at what Algorand has been doing in the last 1 year. It has gone as low as $0.27 and as high as $2.83 with a market cap of $2.2 billion and a fully diluted market cap of $3.2 billion. Algorand has a maximum supply of 10 billion tokens, and we have over 7 billion algos in circulation, which represents 70% of the maximum supply. Currently ranked 30 on CoinMarketCap, we have over 597,000 people that have Algorand on their watch list. Why do you want to hold this altcoin through the bear market? Algorand is a self-sustaining centralized blockchain-based network that supports a wide range of applications. These systems are secure, scalable, and efficient, all critical properties for effective application in the real world. Algorand will support computation that requires reliable performance guaranteed to create a new form of trust. Where can you get some Algorand in the bear market? You can get some Algorand on Binance, on Coinbase, on KuCoin, on Gate.io, on Wobi Global, on FTX, on Bitfinex, and any exchange you get your favorite altcoins. Now, if you take a look at Algorand's performance against Bitcoin, it has not been a good sight to see. If you flipped your Bitcoin for some Algorand when it was launched, you would have still been very down bad at the point of recording this video, because since when Algorand was launched in June 2019, we have seen it lose more than 96% of its value against Bitcoin. Throughout the 2021 bull run, when the Algorand US dollar price chart was pumping to higher prices, Algorand only outperformed Bitcoin by just 432%. For Algorand to set a new all-time high against Bitcoin, we have to see it outperform Bitcoin by over 2,000%. Is that possible, guys? That's going to be possible if Bitcoin start heading towards $100,000 and we see all coins in the market pumping to the moon. If those conditions are met, I won't be shocked to see Algorand set new all-time highs against Bitcoin. And if Algorand is outperforming Bitcoin by over 2,000%, don't be shocked to see Algorand trading above $10 in the future. If you take a look at Algorand's performance against Ethereum, Algorand has been dumping against Ethereum since when it was launched, losing more than 98.53% of its value, finally finding its bottom on the 22nd of August 2022. Will this prove to be the bear market bottom, or will Algorand continue losing value against Ethereum? Because you can see Algorand is steadily just declining over time against Ethereum. For it to set new all-time highs against Ethereum, we have to see Algorand outperform Ethereum by over 4,800%. Guys, for this to happen, for Algorand to outperform Ethereum by this much, we have to see the total crypto market cap pumping towards $10 trillion. Even though the total crypto market cap tops around that $3 trillion region in 2021, we'll have to see us set new all-time highs for the total crypto market cap. All coins pumping to the moon. All these altcoins will be having huge gains. If those conditions are met, I won't be shocked to see Algorand set new all-time highs against Ethereum in the future. And now to the big one, the Algorand market cap chart. Since when it was launched, it has been increasing to higher valuations. The price chart of Algorand has not represented what the market cap has been doing. The lowest we have seen Algorand's market cap was when it came to as low as $71 million. This was during the COVID sell-off in 2020. From that 2020, we saw Algorand's market cap go to as high as $14.8 billion, more than a 20,000% increase in market valuation. This is why you want to be careful with all coins. If you take a look at what Algorand's price did from that March 2020's time, Algorand's price only went up 2,000%. But the market cap went up 20,000%. The market cap went up over 204 times, even though the price went up over 20 times. You might be wondering, how did that happen? More Algorand came into circulation. We didn't have up to 70% of algos circulating, 7 billion algos. But as the market was pumping and people are YOLOing to the top, more algos came into circulation. How high can the market cap go in the next bull run? If we use the top that came in for Algo right here on November 2021 and the bottom that came in for Algo in June 2022, according to this Fibonacci retracement tool, Algo's market cap can get to as high as $59 billion by the end of the next bull run. And for us to get there, we have to see Algorand's market cap go up over 2,500%. More than 25 times from where we are currently trading right now. Guys, do you think it's possible? Can Algorand break the all-time high it set when it was launched in June 2019? Are we going to take out this 2021 all-time high? Tell me, will you be buying more Algorand in this bear market? Are you planning on adding this altcoin to your moon bag? And if you have some Algorand, will you be adding more right now, or will you be waiting for lower prices? Drop your thoughts about that in the comment section. Thank you for watching this video. Please don't forget to subscribe to this channel for more awesome videos like this. Turn on the post notification if you want to get notified anytime I drop a new video. See you guys in my next video.